Okay, we're about to head out to go to our Christmas dinner family thing. So I'm gonna show you how fast things get busy. I've got everything laid out for the other airbag to be installed. I was able to get this one on and looking good. Looking really good. So you see how they bolt into the side right there. So one bolt has to be reversed due to the closeness of it, but that's about it. In the bottom tray, I haven't got on yet. That one, and what it is, you're gonna have to flip the axle, not flip the axle, flip the blocks, the U joints, and everything. So I'm gonna do that together when I get both of them on. So today, if I get enough time, if I get back in time, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bag on the other side. But these are your bags. If anybody want to know what type they are, they're 5,000 pound limit. So, but he's not gonna be carrying a lot in here, just a bike. So it just got tired of the air shocks. Anyways, we have a lighting system to do on that. You can see the whips on it already. A lot of LEDs. He pretty much gave me the go ahead to just my imagination run wild on it. So, and anyways, so and back to this. So I'm having nothing wrong with it. A little bit of a hard start. And I think that's to do with the fuel pressure regulator. So I'm gonna put a new fuel pressure regulator on it. And I did find a little bitty leak on my bottom. This is where I checked the fuel pressure at. This little thing comes out. Well, I have one on the bottom too. And yesterday I seen it was wet. Yeah, so that could be the issue. And there's something called there's two ground points, 104, 108, G104, 108, which is two of the main connections. They should be below. If anybody want to know they're at, they should be right below your battery box. That is the most crucial grounds on these cars for that. So if anybody wants to know that, you'll see them. And that's about it. So I'll get back to this. I'm going to change that. I do have to, my doggone clutch, I got to bleed that, and that's going to be a pain in the butt. But anyways, back to this. So, all right, so that's the plan for the rest of the week, or of these three, and that's about it. So, y'all enjoy. Merry Christmas. Sammy, what are you doing? Phil's not home. Come on, turd. She's so silly. Come on. What? I'm not going to eat you. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm calling you. Daddy, we got to go inside now, but wait. Okay.